Dr. Bremley went to meet few entrepreneurs Badi Mukim from Mountain. He started his farm in 1999. He is a teacher by profession and a milkman by passion. Speaking to Ba Mukim, he said the people in the area are all educated ones and they hardly opt for government services since they see that plenty of jobs are available in the area itself. They would rather be entrepreneurs than to be government servants. They have their own way of earning the livelihood, which is quite motivating for unemployed youth to start with their own business. One good example of such youth is Nangshai, who is a graduate, and with his own hard work, he is able to keep the farm going till date. Keeping the farm name as Nangshai Farm, he worked day in and day out to suffice his requirements. Through this farm, he is able to help few orphans by keeping them employed in his farm. When he started his farm, he had incurred around 2 lakh from his savings. At present, he owns 11 female pigs, 22 piglets and 2 male pigs. He is also helping few people who could not afford to pay for their rent. He built them small houses and kept them there to work in his farm. Through this venture, it is understood that real heroes do exist. People like Nangshai and Hosing Mukim are silent workers whose life stories are motivating enough to give a short message to the unemployed youth who tend to wait for government jobs, to not rely too much on government jobs but to work hard in their own capacity and in a way to help others by employing them at their farms.
Look at all these little piggies. Kini kidi breed ayu kibo?
Mix kini.
Di mix.
Oh, mix sudah ni.
Kini pin outdoor na pila breeding group.
Breeding kini, babun
Breeding bag.
Nanti narong bukan.
Kali pe shiro.
Mana?
Pas itu kaliang other side mah. Kini ke age niang pat da tunjing tung kalong em da collect. Kini pat kini ru breeding. Yang dog. Unis yang kepa. Tu? Penka. Duru. Ini yang kentai sudah.
Ang may bos ng kepa na.
Usnya kepa tu boram ta? Penka. Mo.
Katsan spa siya jadi.
Ada. Tinggal dan hak ni ke farm, jong new samla, pemor keneng, kini ni ke farm Nangshai. Te semua itu kita jong pi, itu kai pi ada pule, nado menu pisang yang kini, pion em jeng irap nono.
Tau ke kerteng jangan dari Pak Nangshai nok luhi, bat ya kini ke farm ulai kerteng Nangshai farm, bat ngalap pendap ya ka dikri, haus nem aracar katnyau, bat nado bangal dap ban pule ngala sedang ya kam. Bat ngala tray kani kakam bat deh au senam arca kat kendai bangala pendap ya kini kani kakam ku kani kakam disniang borok kawai
Te mari fitre ni.
oh nga don hi ki brio bangabu kini ki bom yo ya kalat ban bu ban syong wai gitu ngila bu yaki bakin syong sene bat ban makin em chama ban irap ki wai
Tekan no pi penlut bai sang kini ke farm jong pi.
Kumbangas haus nem bangas dang berseng kini kala kot seduk saka arlak tingka
Arlak. Nei saving la jong sai.
saving la jong
Ada. Tekan no kenu teli kisnya pil abo.
haduk menta kisnyang kemi kidon kumba khatwai teli ti bat kisnyang kun baro kidon arteli ti bat arteli kisnyang kepa
Yang kepa. Kalau don yang ko jingmi nak kata ke arlak bapi yo pi tap nungko.
Kala don ka jingmi kala don kumba trai mentala kumbala candap sisna ngatre kala mi hi ka jingmi dan tala kumba silak
Baiseng lami ni em.
haduk mentate ka baiseng 4 lak
4 lak mi. Simple. Te fi sedang fi bo arlak mentala poi arlak. Temar siteng lami. Nei. Nang teri sitam. Ajan mi baiseng. Entah for Christmas kan abas fil along em Monday for Christmas kan ada.
Kila long don ki bade
Kan no way thai shong dor.
Senang kun Shongdor bị quay sau jar san spa.
Ketu keme apa pala keme?
Em kum kami kum tu kitu artel
Apa
arja.
jar? Kan tu lagi keme lajan ready bande entah apa Christmas.
Ha kini Christmas bandi te try si lai teli ban yo di.
Ten repo aja lah yang lajan dap te kan lak sekat no. To. Boleh sibon. Nang ke nang macam perang keluar kari jengi mo. To. Pas.